pushes its influence from hardwood to turf with the launch of the Air Jordan 4 OG white cement cleat, set to debut for the 2025 NFL season. Many anticipated the fire red comeback, but official word confirms the white cement takes the spotlight. Fresh off its full family sizing return earlier this year, the fan favorite is now re-engineered with cleat-ready tooling, built for traction and durability on the gridiron. Despite its performance upgrades, the design stays true to its OG DNA, complete with white leather uppers, cement gray accents, black trim, and red Jumpman logos. This crossover reinforces Jordan's ability to bridge sport, culture, and heritage, showing the brand's versatility beyond basketball. Expect the release of this cleats on September 2, 2025, right before 2025 NFL season kickoff. The Air Jordan 4 white cement cleat embodies style, function, and nostalgia, making it a must for both athletes and collectors.